Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Insight Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on the minds of many. Online earning methods in Pakistan. Whether you're a student, a professional looking for a side hustle, or someone interested in making a full-time income online, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First up, we have freelancing. This is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. And it's perfect for those who have a skill to offer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect clients with freelancers from all over the world. In Pakistan, freelancers often work in areas like graphic design, writing, and digital marketing. One of the key benefits of freelancing is that you can work from anywhere and set your own rates. To get started, create a strong profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. With a growing demand for education, especially in the current global landscape, online tutoring has become a lucrative option. Websites like Chegg Tutors and local platforms like tutor.com.pk allow you to teach subjects you're knowledgeable about. Whether you're teaching English, mathematics, or any other subject, you can connect with students from around the world. Ensure you have a good internet connection, a quiet workspace, and effective teaching materials.
Another exciting avenue is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer the chance to monetize your content through ads. Many creators have turned their passion into a full-time income by producing engaging videos, or even starting their own podcast. Create high-quality content, and focus on building and engaging with your audience. Now let's explore dropshipping and e-commerce. This involves selling products online without holding any inventory. Websites like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store. With dropshipping, you can sell products sourced from suppliers directly to your customers. It's a low-risk way to start an online business as you only pay for the products after making a sale. To succeed, research the market trends, find reliable suppliers, and invest time in marketing your store through social media and advertising. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic option. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer various products to promote by sharing these links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Choose products that align with your audience's interests, and create content that encourages them to click on your affiliate links. That wraps up our guide on online earning methods in Pakistan. There are countless opportunities out there. And with the right skills and determination, you can create multiple streams of income. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.